Alright, so for today I'm going to do a hair tutorial on how to style your hair in an old Hollywood glam style. So this one is, it's going to take some time, so bear with me, but you're going to need a few things before you start. Is a paddle brush, a curling wand. This one I believe is the Bombay 5-in-1 hair wand, and a couple of bobby pins. So you can section your hair out first if you want to. I don't, because I can just do it in one go, but basically you're going to want to start grabbing each section of hair, and you want the curls around your face to actually curl in. So I grab my section of hair and I wrap it around my hair wand, and then I'm just going to hold it for about like 10 seconds. On this hair tool, I actually have the heat, I think, at 400. That is way too hot, and you should not be having any heat at 400. But in this case, for speed, I just amped up the temperature. And again, you're just taking small sections, but I want the curls to be fairly big, so I'm actually not going to brush them out yet. I will be brushing them out, but not right away. Alright, now for the front, the bang pieces, normally what you do is you would curl away. What you're actually going to do is grab your front piece, so in this case your bangs, grab your wand, and you're just going to wrap your hair under. It's kind of weird, but trust me, it's what makes it look old Hollywood glam. And then you're just going to let that sit like that. That looks a little fucking crazy, but trust me, it'll look good later. Okay, so now that we have all the curls in, what you're going to want to do is grab your paddle brush, and you're just going to smooth it out, gently brushing everything out all together. So you want to brush the curls out quite a bit. It's supposed to be more of like a smooth, loose waved look. It's not supposed to be like a really tight curled look. You could just leave it like this, but what I like to do is either you can tuck it behind your ear, you can put like a cute little accessory there or something, whatever you want, but I like to use some bobby pins and just pin it back, because I move my head a lot, and honestly I don't want to like go throughout the night with my just always having to fix my hair and tuck my hair behind my ears. And then I just pull the hair forward and cover my ear. And there you go, you've got a nice glamorous old Hollywood hairstyle that literally took like, I don't know, 10 minutes. And then the nice part about this is that you can always hairspray it, pin the curls up if you want, if you got like a whole night to go. It's really easy, it's really quick, and it looks really great, like you've got it professionally done, but honestly it just took me like 5 minutes to do. Alright, so now that we're inside, I hope this brings you lots of entertainment, because I've got nothing else to do but do hair videos. So now I look all glamorous for myself, which is great. But yeah.